Okay, we are going to take a 15-minute intermission, and we've got some... Oh, the challenge. Sorry, we've got a challenge, a police challenge. I forgot all about that. Okay, we're going to have the officer come back to center stage with his handcuffs. Okay, first of all, come down here. My name's Victoria. What is your name again? Danny. Benu. Does everybody know this gentleman? Okay, are you a police officer in Waukegan? Okay, so don't break the law because you know what's going to happen. Okay, we're going to have a police challenge here and pretty shortly. Okay. Are we ready?
Oh, okay. How you doing? Can I see those handcuffs again? Okay, you do have a key, huh? I'll try it. It might take that's Policie handcuffs, but those are the best. This is New York City, Policie, Chicago. All right, I'll try it. If it's going to take more than 10-15 minutes, we'll have to just do it later. All right.
What are you going to use for a bag since your cuffs are all in there?
Oh, where do I go? Where can I go?
What about a straight jacket?
Yeah.
Okay, two ladies come down here. One on one side, one on the other. Hold that side and hold the other side. You can't look. So look the other direction. Okay, now we're going to put these on here, and sometimes he has even double lock them on here to make them extremely tight.
Okay. You want a little tighter? Just a little. Oh.
Okay, hold like that, and you, yeah, don't look. All right, look this way. Okay, we're going to see how long it takes him to get out. Okay, I'm timing him, and we're going to see how long it takes. We've got 5 seconds. 9 seconds. 15 seconds. 20 seconds. 25 seconds.
I'm going to try. It's going to take about 10 minutes. But if you want to watch that clock.
Watch that clock over there. So that's about 45 seconds here, folks. Thank you. Yeah.
All right, let's give the officer a nice hand. I did it. I'm a professional skateboarder, but I'm not a criminal. He puts those on anybody that don't want to get out, so don't break the law. If you're arrested, it's for good. Okay, let's give the two ladies a nice hand, too. And we're going to take a break now, right? All right, if you like the first part of the show, the second part, we're doing the water tank escape and the levitation. I don't want to tell you everything, but it's going to be good. Here's Vicky. Let's have a nice hand with Vicky again.
This opportunity to thank everyone that had a part to do with this show, our stagehands, sound and lights, awesome, phenomenal people to work for. Let me tell you what, they did a fantastic job so far, and I know they're going to do a phenomenal job after this. Whoa, watch it. Okay. What are we going to do with the board? Wheel it out? He's disappeared. He's escaped already. Okay, folks, 15-minute intermission. There's some souvenirs out in the lobby. We've got pictures of Mario with police handcuffs on that he did when his Guinness World title. We've got color photos. We've got some replica handcuffs. We've got plastic handcuffs for the kids. And the Svengali decks, which are that demonstration that he showed you with the young lady in the middle, those are all for sale, and you're not obligated to buy anything, but if you'd like to look at them, they're out in the lobby. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Thank you.